Appam, you can call it an instant bread or an idli. It's super easy to make, ideal for your breakfast or for your kids' lunchbox. The best part is that you can have it with sabji, sambar, chutney, or even butter jam. Because this is an oil free recipe, it can be a healthy option for your weight loss program. Hello, welcome to Recipes You Like. If you like the video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, giving you valuable feedback and comments in the comment section below. You can also consider to subscribe, hitting the bell icon to get the latest recipe updates from Recipes You Like. Let's begin. For making appam, we will take 1 cup of semolina suji. In this, add about 1/4 cup of refined flour maida. Mix it, and then making little bit of space in between, let's drop in a teaspoon of sugar along with half a teaspoon of instant dry yeast. Here, sugar is obviously to activate the yeast. Mix it and then drop a little bit of warm water over it. Now, gradually adding water, we have to make smooth but a loose dough like consistency. We added here 1 cup of water. It will look something like this, and then we will keep this covered in a warm place for about an hour. Next, add in salt, half a teaspoon or as per your taste. At present, you can see this mix is a little bit thick. We have to make it to a dropping consistency. Even it's not smooth enough, so what we will do, we will take a hand blender and blend this to a smooth paste like consistency, something like this, and that's it. After we are done with this, let's add in 2 tablespoons of curd. For taste, you can even add half crushed coconut in this mix, and you can see this is still quite thick at present, so let's add in about half cup of water in this. At present, water is at room temperature, it's not warm. Total, we added 1 plus half cup, that is 1.5 cup of water to make this batter. We need to make a batter which is of a dropping consistency, just like a dosa batter. After we are done, heat your tawa, grill or a pan, sprinkle or spread little bit of oil or butter all over it. If you are cooking over a non-stick cookware, in this recipe adding oil or butter is not too necessary. It's all up to your own liking. Make appam over a medium heat and it will take you approximately 5 minutes to make it or cook it. After you drop the batter, you will see small holes appearing, and then the wet portion will slowly start getting dry. Now remove it and keep it over a cotton cloth, just like the way we do for rotis. We will see another example of making appam. Here we have absolutely not used any oil. When the bubbles or the holes start appearing on appam, keep a lid over it. This makes appam cook faster, but don't keep the lid for a longer time. Just remove it within a minute. If you keep the appam covered for a longer time, like suppose more than a minute, moisture will accumulate inside and you won't be able to see this chicken kadai type of textured surface on your appam pan. So now we are done with all of them. It's also cooked beautifully beneath. At present, this recipe is all over the net. I tried it for the first time and loved it. I hope that you too will like it. And there are few videos out there that claim that it can be made using Eno. I tried them but was not successful. If you can make it using Eno, please write in the comment section below. Before leaving, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends. We'll meet you again. Bye.